Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix comments not showing up on YouTube. So let's get into it. First of all, make sure comments are enabled. Select your user account icon in the top right corner, followed by YouTube Studio. Then select Settings. Tap Community. Then tap Defaults. Select Allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Then save when you're finished. Number 2, YouTube may have automatically marked some of your videos as being for kids, which disables comments in accordance with COPPA guidelines. Open your YouTube Studio and select Content. Then choose a video and select Details. Scroll down to Audience and make sure you selected No, it's not made for kids. Then click Save. Number 3, your entire channel may have also been automatically set to For Kids by YouTube. You can try to adjust this by opening YouTube Studio and selecting Settings. Tap Channel. Then select Advanced Settings. Then check the page to see if your channel is set to being for kids, and if possible, change it to No, set this channel as not made for kids. Then click Save. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.